I'm Dala, and today we are on a mission. I'm on our summer cottage, which is on an island that is totally off-grid. So you can see here the solar panels that's providing power. But the island has lost power, so now we're gonna try to fix it. Let's get started. Power's out, entirely out. This is the electrical cabinet. It's made entirely out of wood, which is a bit unusual. Normally you would have some steel structure, but yes, this is where we will be working. Okay, let me show the system. So this system was built back in, I think it was 2016. So it's almost 10 years old. It hasn't been in service for a very long time. It has lead acid batteries, and as you know, lead acid batteries usually don't last that long. And these batteries have lost almost all remaining capacity. So when the sun doesn't shine, this system goes entirely flat. So today we're gonna rectify this by changing to lithium-ion batteries. So yeah, let's tear this system apart. Okay, the batteries are out. Now we'll just clean up this mess that it made, and let's get cracking with the new batteries. Okay, let's talk a bit about the batteries. So we have removed all the old lead acid batteries, and the new batteries that are going in are going to be these LFP batteries, so lithium iron phosphate. And these are significantly lighter, and they should provide a lot more power. Eventually we will convert this to a 48 volt system, but for now we will be using two of these LFP batteries in parallel to have a bit of a larger 12 volt battery. So let's put these ones in.
Så det går inte. Okej.
Yes, it's alive. Beep. Let's try this again. Yay! Okay, let's go check that all the fridges are working in each of the cabins. Okay, let's check fridge number 1. Nice. And fridge number 2. Yay! It's working! Nice. It's quite crazy to think that these two small batteries contain more of a punch than all the old 12 volt lead acid batteries did. Okay, so we just lost the sun, so that's a bit of a shame. But the solar panels are now charging, or should I say solar panel, because it's only the leftmost panel is charging. These 3 other ones will be taken into use once we switch to the 48 volt system, because I only have a quite basic 12 volt charger, so I'm not able to use all of these solar panels. One of these panels are 285 watts, so like in total this is a bit over 1 kilowatt of charging power, and I think we need the 48 volt system to be able to use that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick video of me tinkering a bit on the summer cottage. A bit unusual, but we managed to save the day and get all fridges burning. So yeah, thanks for watching. Out. Bye.